So this morning, well, actually, let me rewind. Last night, while I was out, I went and purchased the Chi steamer. I'm not a big fan of steamers, I guess. Like, I normally just take my clothes to the cleaners or press it myself. That's simple. But I know steamers do come in handy. Actually, when I was in the Bay Area, my cousin, she was using a steamer, and it was pretty cool. My aunt, they use steamers too. So actually, I'm gonna move a little closer so you guys can see. This is the Chi steamer. It just came out, and it was about $134. That's with tax included. But you could get it on Amazon for about a couple dollars cheaper, I guess. It'll be like $120 something, probably like $8 cheaper or something. That's if you feel like waiting. If you don't want to wait, like, I just grabbed it, and it was the last one actually last night. It was just random, mind you. So I'm actually gonna be unboxing it and showing you guys, and I'm gonna be learning myself as well. Also, I didn't see any full videos on unboxing this and placing suit jackets, pantsuits inside of there, which is another reason why I am doing this video, because I only saw, individuals put their blouse in there, but I'm gonna be putting a whole suit in there, the suit jacket, suit pants for you guys. So let's start unboxing. And clearly, I'm not great at unboxing big items because I'm very small. I'm very small myself. So maybe I have to just take it out like that, maybe? I don't know. So it looks like I really didn't want to do that, because what if I want to take it back if I don't care for it? The borders, so I actually just ripped the little side of the box and I took the borders out just to be, oh no. Alright, yay! Okay, so let's unbox. Unwrapping it like a gift. Turn it on Christmas. Okay, so this is what it looks like. It looks pretty nice. Oh wow, it's very nice. It's a garment bag, the steamer. So, and actually, if you guys know anything about Chi, remember they started off doing flat irons, hair salon products. So, this is what the cord looks like. It's pretty long. There's more. And before I undo the bag, this is what the bag looks like. So, it's not too heavy. I can hold it with one hand. Not too heavy at all. I'm gonna back up so you guys can see, and I'll move forward so you guys can see again. Okay. I believe that this right here is the power button. And it also comes with a garment bag hanger. So to me, that's really neat. So if you, okay. Now, let's see. I'm going to take this top thing off. Put that up there. And, oh look. Okay, so you have to be very careful. Once you take this off, the whole thing falls. So be careful. Okay? Be very careful. Hopefully I did not just, okay, no. Okay, so I'm assuming once you take it off, and let's plug it up. Let's see this. Once again, I'm gonna move it closer for you guys, so you guys can see. Maybe it's gonna automatically stand up, is what I'm guessing. Once we plug it up, hold itself up. Let's see. Of course, you want to always be careful with the plugs. Do not electrocute yourself. Horrible feeling. Okay. So, before I even clearly open this. I don't know how they make it stand up by itself. There has to be a button in here. This is an extra tool. So, here's the inside. Of the garment bag. Let's see what else comes in here. Okay, there's the inside. If you guys can see it, it's in the back. I opened it. And here's the cup. And they suggest you to fill it with cold tap water. Not warm, but cold tap water. So, and it has the minutes on here as well. I'm actually gonna move up a little closer for this one so you guys can see. The glare is right there in the thing. And you just fill it up with cold tap water. Not warm, but cold tap water. So I'm actually gonna do that, but I want to know how to make it stand up on its own. Okay. We want to know how to make it stand up on its own. Press on and off button to begin steaming. The power indicator, okay, will eliminate when the steamer is on. Press on and off button to stop steaming. Yes, we understand that. Okay, now we want to know. Yes, okay, check garment bag. Garment for wrinkles, no. So you can put multiple things in there at one time too. You just have to put it in there longer. Holder, yes, okay. So there was another thing that came in there actually, and it's not. Maybe that's an extra garment bag holder. Okay, garment holder on inside. So that's an extra garment holder in the inside. Okay, so that's what I took out. Back hands for use. Okay, refresh the moment. Okay. 2 ways to discriminate. Alright, steam one garment, steam multiple. So if you do, no, I guess you can steam, if it's light, of course you can put like extra blouses or whatever in there. Okay. Let's get that cold tap water going. Yes, indeed. Okay, so there is a max fill line, remember, so don't fill over that max line. Okay, it does say max fill, okay, on this side, forgive me. Don't fill over that line, because then when you try and close it, I just did that, it will overflow. Okay, so let's place, which to me, I would think that it would stand up on its own, you know, that's just me. That's one thing that I do not like already